to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review MYSTI-BOX from Fashitude for July month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. So first of all, let me tell you, this is a jewelry subscription box. The price for a monthly subscription is 499 rupees. But wait, don't worry. I have a coupon code by which you can save 5%. The code is Ritu5. Plus, they have COD option available. So if you want COD, you have to pay a little extra. I think 60 rupees. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the code, discount code with the buying link of Fashitude box, and of course the COD details as well. Now let's quickly see what all it has, and of course I will mention the prices as well in the box, in the description box. So let's start with the first one. Before that, let me just show you this card. It says Fashitude, do fashion with attitude. And on the other side, it's a precaution card actually for your jewelry. So yes, I like it. Different concept actually. So this is the card, and now let's start with the first one. The first is this beautiful choker. It's golden in color. So let me just quickly open this and show you. So this is how it looks. The color is golden and you can just see it's so pretty. I love it. Let me just quickly wear it and show you the look. Wow, so this is the look. You can just see it's looking so pretty. I'm loving it. Really pretty choker neck piece. So nice. I will be clicking some pictures and attaching that in the end of the video, so stay connected for that. And for the price, I will be mentioning that in the description box, or I will try to put the price on the screen. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is again a beautiful neck piece, so really pretty, this one. So let me quickly just open this and let me just remove this. Let me wear this and then I'll show you the design. This is the look for the neck piece, and you can just see even this one is looking really nice. This comes with the matching earrings. So these are the earrings for this neck piece, and this is the look. Super nice. I love it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a really beautiful pair of earrings, and I absolutely love it. Let me just quickly show you and just have a look. Wow, they are super nice. So these are like multi-layer, you can say jhumki earrings. And let me quickly just wear this and show you the look. For that, I have to remove my neck piece. Okay, just give me 1 second. The look, you can just see they are looking stunning. I love it. For sure, these are like first favorite in the box for me. I really love it. Very different for me. I'm not really sure where I'm going to wear it, with what I'm going to wear it, but I'm definitely going to wear it very soon because I love it. Very different, very nice. I love it. Super happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is golden, very elegant party wear earrings. They will go with everything, I guess, with Western, with Indian, I'm not really sure, but with Western, for all the dresses, for all the party dresses, the color is so safe. It's golden color and they are not too much. They are just perfect. I mean, very classy, very rich, very elegant. Let me just quickly wear them and show you the look. This is the look. You can just see they are looking pretty, very nice, very elegant, very classy. I like it. Now let's move on to the last one, and the last one is this. This is again gold, so of course very safe, and this is the look. Again, you can just wear them like with your party dresses, with the normal casual dresses. I'm not really sure, but yeah, you can actually try. Let me just quickly try on one and show you the look. So this is how it looks. Pretty. So this is the last pair, and of course they look really nice. This has one big stone here. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so one big stone here. This is how it looks. So that's all what I've received in my MYSTI-BOX for July month. I will be creating a lookbook and I will be attaching that in the end. So stay connected for that. And I've already told you the code. Code is Ritu5 for 5% discount. And you have seen all the beautiful jewelry. So if you want it, just go to the description box because there you will find all the details. So that's all for MYSTI-BOX for July month. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.